What are the top 7 reasons why customers choose EZPro Express for their bath remodeling project? Number 1 is price. EZPro Express offers highly competitive pricing, often beating the competition by thousands of dollars on the same project. With free in-home consultations providing exact, no hidden cost quotes, our customers have peace of mind knowing that they got the best value possible on their project. We can do this because we are a local, family-owned and operated company, compared to many of our competitors, which are nationwide chains that are owned by stockholders who care only about profits. Number 2 is fast, efficient installation process. We use full-time employee installers, not subcontractors, and bathroom remodeling is all we do. Our guys are some of the most experienced in the industry, with many having personally completed thousands of bathrooms. That expertise, coupled with our highly streamlined process, means a top quality finished product with minimal disruption to our customers' lives. Number 3 is premium materials and lifetime warranties. Using durable virgin acrylic for our tubs and showers, EZPro provides a lifetime warranty against cracking, fading, and discoloration, ensuring long-time reliability over less durable options. Number 4, exceptional customer service and professionalism. Our customers praise the professionalism, responsiveness, and attention to detail of our installers, service technicians, and call center team. With over 2,000 5-star reviews and an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, we have a proven track record of taking care of our customers. Number 5, customizable design options. With hundreds of acrylic color and pattern combinations, experienced design consultants, and tailored solutions, EZPro helps customers create their dream bathroom, offering a personalized experience that stands out. Number 6, flexible financing and promotions. EZPro Express enhances affordability with flexible financing, including zero-interest payment options and promotions like $1,000 off tub shower replacements or $2,000 off full remodels and walk-in tubs, making high-quality remodels accessible for any budget. Number 7, did we mention price? EZPro Express can save you thousands of dollars on your bathroom remodel. Let us show you how. Call now or visit EZProExpress.com.